Hi, my name is Lisa, and I am very excited to start my journey with Morrocco Method, specifically the lunar hair cutting journey. I am very intrigued by the Morrocco Method's philosophy. It seems to incorporate a mind, body, soul experience with taking care of your hair and marrying that with taking care of the rest of you and your environment. And I never really had thought about taking care of my hair like that before. So I'm very excited to learn a lot more about that and start the specifically lunar hair cutting journey, where I will cut my hair on certain days of the lunar calendar according to what my goal for my hair is. And right now I don't know what my goal for my hair is. I think it needs a little of everything. And the reason for that is that I have been growing out my hair naturally for about 5 years. And before that I colored it. And I just really wanted to see myself go gray and embrace just the way my hair is and finally make peace with it. And so I have tried every kind of shampoo and styling product and styling method that is there, I think. And really they all weigh down my hair and make it sticky and very hard to manage. So I'm really looking forward to doing something more natural. And so I've been really not wanting to put any styling products in my hair. So I was researching on YouTube about how people took care of their hair in the past before all these styling products were invented. And I ran across Mr. Morocco's video about brushing with a boar bristle brush. And so I got one and I started brushing my hair maybe about 2 weeks ago according to his instructions. And believe it or not, it looks a lot better than it did. It's still a little frizzy, but then it kind of always is. That's one of its problems. But I can tell that the oil is going down for my hair. It took kind of a long time to do that. That it's even getting shiny now, which it never has been. So I'm really encouraged, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot more about how to take care of my hair, and so that it can be a natural expression of my overall health. I will look forward to checking in with you from time to time and telling you more about all I've learned. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye-bye.